peaceful walk along the river, crystal clear blue water everywhere. Nature at its purest beauty, a place where silence speaks. Far from noise, close to peace, perfect place for solitude. Every wave feels calming, a beautiful gift of nature. Here, your soul finds peace, a hidden paradise on earth. Just you, nature, and calm. Best place to relax your mind. Would you like to visit this place?
Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can catch all new videos instantly.